Hello everybody, today is Friday, July 15th. It's 4:41 p.m. It's about 30 minutes after the regular session close in the futures markets. I'm just getting around to making the video. There's still some trades going off in the time and sales. You can see it here. Last trade on the E-mini S&P was 21:45.75. You can see my computer clock here, Friday, July 15th, and just 20 or 30 minutes after the regular session closed. It was a fantastic day for the auto trader today. We're looking at a single trade on the bonds right here. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a good day for the auto trader today. First up is the 30-year Treasury bond trading two contracts. You can see here we had a single short trade right off the open of the bonds pit session, and fantastic trade placement here, both the entry and the exit of the second contract. You can see here just a few ticks off the low of the day. And this was good for 1593.75, which I think is shy of its goal of 2000, but still quite a fantastic performance. Okay, next up is the BWT Super Renko 7 tick on the crude oil. This had three winning trades today. We had two winners here off the open. We had a very tiny loser here, only losing about 4 or 5 ticks. And then we had a real solid winner into the lunch hour. And this was good for about 35 ticks on two contracts here. And that put us up to our daily goal of 1200. We did not have slippage on the end. And we see our daily goal here of 1200, and the system stops trading once it hits its daily goal. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko 5-tick 300% reversal. This has performed admirably since we started tracking it about a week ago or a little bit more. This actually trades around the clock or as a swing trading system, and it's had quite a remarkable performance. A lot of winners and very few losers or small losers. Today it did 1770 on two contracts. You can see there's no H's next to the trades, and we've had a rising equity graph. If you look at earlier videos, you'll see where it was. So this is doing very, very well. We're very optimistic about this. I'm just going to show a performance report here. Performance reports aren't completely accurate, but this one is pretty impressive, so I wanted to show it because it is close. I am showing the trades as they happen each day in real time, and this one has a profit factor of 8.5. Even though the win percentage isn't that high, the thing is that the losers are much smaller than the winners. So our average winning trade, $388, and our average losing trade only $60 here. We're not going back that far, but nevertheless, here's our equity graph. And this was probably the weekend here. But what we're seeing here in real time is supporting our actual performance. And so you see the size of the winners here, and then here's the size of our losers. This trade, it went short at 45.77, and it went long at 45.78 and closed at 45.77. So there was only a 1-tick loss on that trade. And then this went short at 46.04 and long at 46.06, so only 2 ticks. And it has something to do with the nature of the rules of these bar types. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 12 tick. This had a single short trade, short at 58 and a quarter and closed at 52.50. So about 6 points on the trade on two contracts, which is basically almost 12 points in the E-mini S&P, is about 48 ticks or so. Okay, next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko 5-tick 300 reversal. This template does not hold overnight. It gets out at the close each day. And this one did 530 on two contracts on only these two trades here. Since this Precision Renko chart has been working so well, I tried it on a couple different markets. And so we see it here on the Aussie dollar futures. And we had a couple of trades, once again, the same pattern here, the winners being much larger than the losers. So this had a modest gain today, but this was the first day I ran it on the some of the Forex futures contracts. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or feel free to send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thank you for watching today.